Video Series Number 8. Comprehensive Strategic Telephone Debt Collections Procedures. This comprehensive debt collection training is about effective telephone debt collection strategies and techniques for new and experienced consumer and commercial debt collectors. But why are some debt collectors just average performers while others become remarkably outstanding professional debt collectors in terms of productivity and efficiency? This is because superstar debt collectors are a lot like superstar basketball players. They are professionals who must overcome various performance obstacles and challenges to reduce delinquent accounts. Visit www.cohenandklein.com today to register, subscribe, and become one of the many organizations to benefit from Cohen and Klein Consulting customized training courses, backed by over 1,500 positive testimonials.